Hi creative friends, it's Krista and Lisa and welcome to our channel Farmhouse Rose Co. We're going to begin our DIY by taking a heart sign from Dollar Tree and we're going to do 2 coats of white chalk paint. We're going to go ahead and take one of these 3D cards that we got from Dollar Tree. We're going to take the banner off of it and use it on our sign. Once our sign is dried, we're going to go ahead and glue the banner under our sign by gluing the twine onto the back side of the sign. This next step's optional, but we decided to make our sign even more fabulous and adorable, and we added some of these felt heart stickers that we got from Dollar General, and we just glued them randomly all over the sign. And then we just added a hanger to the sign. It was so simple and easy to make and we love it. It's absolutely adorable and it uses 4 items that you can get from Dollar General or Dollar Tree and we just love it. DIY number 2 is a farmhouse love sign. We began by taking a large sign from Dollar Tree and painting it with Elephant by Waverly. Now we're going to take another sign that we got from Dollar Tree and we're going to remove the 3 galvanized hearts that are on the sign and we're going to paint them with red chalk paint. We're going to give our sign a second coat of gray chalk paint while our hearts are drying. We ended up using 3 coats of red chalk paint on our galvanized hearts. Now we're going to go ahead and sand our sign to give it a more distressed look. We distressed the galvanized hearts using some white chalk paint. We got these really cute stencils from Folk Art. We're going to go ahead and use the one that says love on it. We used some white chalk paint to stencil it on. This part's optional, but we decided to go in with an angle brush or a small detail brush and use some of our white chalk paint and connect the lines and kind of give it a more finished look. We went ahead and glued our galvanized hearts into place on the sign, and then we decided we wanted to make a border for our sign, so we took some square dowel rods and cut them to size using a miter box, and we glued them on using a mixture of wood glue and hot glue. We absolutely love how our sign turned out. It is adorable. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Today's positive quote is you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great, and that's by Zig Ziglar. Creative friends, we believe in you and you're capable of amazing things. We have more videos to come. Until next time.